If you are a business owner and you feel heavy even with all of your money, this is for you. For a lot of business owner who feel stuck and cannot get out of your rut, dami mo ng hurt and pain, you cannot trust anyone anymore. It's always real because this is where you are. Need people to help you, but people may hurt you. But nevertheless, you choose to rise up and find time to cleanse, step back and go on a retreat because clearing and cleansing is really important. When I say clearing and cleansing yourself, a lot of process that you want to deal with. Maybe the hurt, the pain, and the trauma. So the deepest and most important way here is maybe to find yourself in a safe environment where you can release and express yourself. And when you start releasing, you start to let go, you start to release, you start to cleanse. It's a long process. You're getting better. You're getting better. You feel clean. You feel light. And until one day, the dirt are all gone, then it's a space that you can actually move forward easily without carrying all the baggages that you carry from a little child to a teenager to an adult. All the betrayals, it happened, yes. But if you don't take time, go to a retreat, go to a learning event that will allow you to release energetically all the pain, all the baggages, all the hurt that you've been carrying, it will always heavy heart. Useless lahat ng pera kung ikaw ay hindi clear sa puso mo. Kasi importante naman, kaya natin gusto ng pera kasi gusto natin maging masaya. Kahit may pera tayo, pero ang dami nating kabigatan, mga pain, mga hurt, mga baggages na dala-dala, kasi hindi natin alam, kailangan pa lang linisan. So, I'm inviting you to take time to clean, to take time to clear, and if you want, I can help you. DM me. Let's clear and clean and heal together.